Hello and welcome, children. I hope you are doing well and you are understanding whatever topics we are doing. Today I am here to discuss with you the very first poem of class 7, which is a very cute poem. I like it because it's about very active animal, we can say. Squirrel is a very active animal which we are going to talk about in the poem, and the poem is only 6 lines poem, so it is very short poem, but it is very cute poem, and it talks about the various activities which the squirrel do in the daytime. Okay, so here we go. The first line only. First, let me tell you about the poet Mildred Bower Armstrong. You have to memorize the name of the poet, that is Mildred Bower Armstrong, and we can see in the picture only that how beautiful the squirrel is, and it is having some nuts from the trees. Mostly we find that the squirrels, they stay on some trees. Okay, so in the picture also we find that it is sitting on some tree. So what the poem is, it says, it goes like this: he wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we run around his tree, he went the other way. So let's check out that what are the different things which are discussed over here. So but before that, let's check some beautiful pics of squirrel which I have collected for you. See this beautiful squirrel, actually it is in action. Can you see how it is shouting, and it is looking so cute, no? So this is the beautiful pic, and one more picture I have brought for you today. This is the beautiful pic of the squirrel, which you can see it is holding some nuts. It is having some nuts in its hand, and it is trying to eat it up. Okay, then the next pic, let's check. There is one squirrel. See, she is also, I think it's a naughty squirrel, and it is sitting somewhere on the fence, and maybe it is trying to escape from some human being or some children like you who are trying to catch it, or maybe it is going from one place to another. So this cute squirrel, it is sitting on some fence. Okay, so let's start with the first line of the poem, that is, he wore a question mark for a tail. So the poet, actually, just to make it humorous, he is saying that he wore. Actually he is not wearing, he is having his tail like that. Okay, just like a question mark. Okay, we can check out the shape, it is like a question mark, no? So that is what the poet is talking about. You can check out here also the tail, it has got the shape of question mark, no? One more we will check out. See this, because we have taken the picture from the other side, so that's why the shape is the tilted form of question mark. Okay, and this I have already shown you. So now we are once again, you see this beautiful squirrel, it has got the shape of question mark in its tail, isn't it? So the poet, just to make us laugh, he says that it seems as if it is wearing a question mark. The squirrel is not having a tail, but it is wearing a question mark as its tail. Means the shape of the tail is just like a question mark. Check out one more. See this question mark tail. Okay, so that he talks about, and then we will come to the next line of the story, that is the poem, that is an overcoat of grey, and he says that the this particular squirrel, we can see that they are of grey color, isn't it? And it seems as if they are wearing overcoat, but actually we know that they are not wearing overcoat. Why the poet is saying that they are wearing overcoat? Because of the grey color and the fur. Okay, their body is full of fur. Okay, they are very furry, so that's why the poet says, you can see it is full of fur, isn't it? It is full of fur, and it is also grey color, so that's why he says that it seems as if squirrel wears a coat of grey color. but actually it is not wearing, it is its body. Okay, its body is like that, and which he talks about in the second line. Now we'll come to the third line. He says that he sat up straight to eat a nut. Always he sat up straight. You can see in the picture, children, that it always sitting up to eat the nut. Whenever it is eating the nuts, it is sitting straight. You can see in the picture. See, it is sitting straight. Okay. This squirrel is sitting straight. This squirrel is sitting straight. This squirrel is sitting straight. So this he talks about. Then we'll come to one more picture I will show you. See, this squirrel, it is sitting very straight. Okay. So these kind of squirrels he talks about. So let's check out some more pictures. Then he says, in the next line he says, he likes to tease and play. Tease means he likes to bully others. Okay. Means when children like you or we go towards the squirrel, so what does it do? It starts running from that place. Okay. To escape from us. So he says that it loves to tease us, and that is its game. The squirrel is very friendly animal. It sometimes teases us. If we try to go near it, it tries to run away. So that is the meaning of the next line. Then the last two lines are, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. You can see this naughty squirrel which is sitting here. See? Just it is trying to hide itself in the branches when some human beings are going near it. So that is there. Because they want to be at the safe side. Okay. They don't want to be killed by human beings. They don't want to be harmed by human beings. So that's why they are running. Okay. From us. Some more beautiful pics I have brought for you. You can check out this squirrel. See. This naughty squirrel. It seems as if it is waving to us. No. It's saying bye bye. No. And then this squirrel. It is having some nuts. One is eating nuts and one is saying bye-bye to us. Okay. So, now we are at the end of the poem. That is the rhyming scheme I will teach you, children. You can check out in the poem that total there are 6 lines, and how to check out, how to find out the rhyming scheme, that is very important. See, children, in any poem, the number of stanzas will decide the rhyming scheme. If there are 2 stanzas, so it will have 2 rhyming schemes. If it has 1 stanza, so it will have only 1 rhyming scheme. So because this small poem, it has got only 6 lines, so we will put the rhyming scheme as 1 sentence. We will consider the poem as having only 1 stanza. Okay. So what is the rhyming scheme? Rhyming scheme means, children, the words which have got the similar sounds. Okay. And in that we don't check all the words, but only the last words of each line. You understood? So in the poem we can see that the last word for the first sentence is tail. Okay. The last word for the second sentence is grey. The last word for third is nut. The last word for fourth one is play, and the last word for fifth one is tree, and the last word for the last line is way. So this we have to rhyme. Now how we have to rhyme? Rhyme means, children, similar sounding words. So the similar sounding words will get the same alphabet. Okay. So first sentence will start with A, like A. Then second line, last word will get B, C, D, like that. So here we find, you can please check here, like the first one is tail. It will get A. Okay. And the rest, none of them are going to rhyme with this. So they all will not get the number A. Now the second, as I told you, it will get grey. Grey will get B. Okay. So B, let's see, grey is also rhyming with play and way, isn't it? They are similar sounding words. Now say all the 3 words together, then only you will come to know. See, grey, play, way. Have you understood? Grey, play, way. These all 3 are having same kind of sound. A, isn't it? gray, play, way. So A word is coming, A sound is coming in all these three words. So they will get the same number, that is the B. Okay, because A is already tail has got. So now the third, let's check. The third line is having nut. Okay, so nut will get the C number. But here you can check that none other is going to rhyme with it. Only one word is left, that is tree. So nut, tree. Are they rhyming? They are not rhyming. So nut will get C. And the fourth line has got the last word as tree. So tree will get the number D. Okay. So this way our rhyming scheme for this whole poem is, children, A, B, C, B, D, B. Okay. A, B, C, B, D, B. So I hope that you understood the poem and you have enjoyed the poem, children. Thank you.